Maggie and Sprite, time to catch a flight.
You do too much, but it's cool, you do too much. Don't make me do too much, been through too much. From young I grew too much, I'm chill, you do too much. Married to the money, I'm a hobby, say I do too much. Sliding on these guys, I'm many glides, I swear I do too much. You do too much, cool, you do too much. Don't make me do too much, been through too much. Young I grew too much, I'm chill, you do too much. Married to the money, I'm a hobby, say I do too much. Sliding on these guys, I'm many glides, I swear I do too much.
Alright, so boom, back to the airport. For some reason, yeah, it's telling me my gate's gonna be announced in an hour and a half, you get me? But you have to think. It says here on the site, the gate will close 25 past 1. I got here, about 1 o'clock, after all the customs and that, you get me? Got to the desk, where it's telling me how long. The thing's talking about we'll tie you in an hour and a half, hour and 20 minutes. Bedroom, you should be closing in 10 minutes. What are you talking about? You know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna see what I'm going for that. I feel like it might be a delay, obviously.
Yeah. Intelligent. Yeah. You know what intelligent?
See if there's any sort of word I can get about anything. 1 second. Excuse me.
A few moments later.
No, look, my man basically told me, go find the phone and phone somebody.
God have mercy upon us.
So we are going. Go find the screen, see if it tells me on anything else you get in the car. Right now, I've kind of done the walking around the airport thing now, you know. I had a little food, you feel me? There's no smoking areas, you know what I mean? So, it's kind of just waiting around, but let's see what's going on. Check the drip board, airport store. It's mad. It's mad. It's mad. Yo, mad. Let me see what I want for this thing, yeah? What's it talking about? What's it talking about? Hour and a half, but delayed. Let me show you this. See it there. Delayed, but boom. So, there's a Burger King. Yeah. Flight's talking about delayed for an hour and a half. We're going in. No, I spent £4. That's on fucking fries. Yeah. I also spent £4, £5 on a meal deal. So you do the maths. For another pound, I could have got another fucking meal deal. So yeah, what's in here, man? So I've got down here sweating, bro. Look at this. It's secreting from my face. Tissue pandit. Oh my god. Hot tub blows now. Yeah, it's not having no fucking air conditioning. What the fuck? I'm gonna bear bits on me on that. Yeah, as I say, man. Hour and a half sitting around, but I'm gonna see what I'm going. I should have been on the plane by now.
I do too much. Sliding on these guys, I'm many guys. I swear I do too much. You do too much. Cool, you do too much. Don't make me do too much. We do too much. Young, I grew too much. I'm chill, you do too much. Married to the money, I'm a hobby. Say I do too much. Sliding on these guys, I'm many guys. I swear.
So up there, we've been waiting for time. The plane got delayed again. We're supposed to get there for 3 o'clock. The plane was supposed to get to Jersey for 3 o'clock. I'm still here. The plane's supposed to leave here in Birmingham. Yeah, at 4:20. 4:20 I'm supposed to leave. Long thing. I just finally got onto the gate. Finally boarded. Long thing. I'm just waiting. We'll soon reach, nothing like that. We'll soon reach. Get me. Someone told me in this queue here while we was waiting. Someone said to me, Jersey's only like 5 miles by 9 miles, or something like that. So it's like a city centre, it's the whole island. So we'll see what we're going to London.
Guys, I swear I do too much. Yo, I've been hustling. How much man got yacked and couldn't tell me nothing. Counting racks, I had a plan and then I done it. And in my bag, I'm letting off. Now, bitch, I'm bossing. Been gone, they cussing. Know I'm up to something. I like that. Don't do too much, cause they know how we coming. Get right back. Looking with something on me. Ducking the bed around. Smoking with no regard. Can't talk, you know about it. Yeah, you do too much and you don't do enough. Yeah, I've been working hard. No chilling out, no chilling out. You know what I need, you know what I need, and I need it now, right now, fam. On the M ways, I've been up and down. Every penny had to get it out the ground.
Performance time. Performance time is mad. Yes. Everyone's just friendly up here, blood. Everyone's bare friendly, just throwing bare smiles at man. Niggas on the block. Check. What you mean?
Dead there.
Up so in a jersey. Oh, you blacks? Tell me something, man. Tell me something.
Everything's gonna be alright. Space dog. Yeah, big trips out here supporting KY'ORiON on his show. Get in the place, you get me?
Mazak.
Shut up. Short till he's on the stage again.
Vibes. Right, I'm sorry. Hello. Vibes. Alright, so my phone died last night. Yeah, literally before I did my performance, my phone died. But I got some footage. We're gonna play that footage now.
And I swear you do too much, but it's cool, you do too much. You do too much, don't make me do too much. You do too much, young I grew too much. I'm chill, you do too much. Married to the money, I'm a hubby, say I do too much. Sliding on these guys, I'm many glides. Married to the money, I'm a hubby, say I do too much. Sliding on these guys, I'm many glides, I swear I do too much. Yo, these men are mad, family you mad. Man I get grabbed, put him in bags, going on racks, giving out tags. Man I can't rap, man I get rapped, man I get let me not chat, way my move, yo, it's getting my mad. These man are youths, call my dads, dropping off packs, post my pack, take off your door. What? Who want war? Better don't want no more. Man, I'm on call, huh? Say no more. Fam, your excuse is poor. Respect the grind.
Make some noise for yourselves. I've got one in the car, Ryan. If you fuck with me, follow me, Spotify, Instagram, YouTube, all them things there, yeah. Love, I'll be back, man. You guys sick.
Let me show you where I'm at. Get me. So yeah, mad thing. It's about 5 in the morning, 5:30 in the morning. Man come out to the beach, grow a couple, come smoke. I didn't want to go without seeing the beach. A bare flight delays, bare shit that was happening. So didn't really get to do nothing when I came from the airport yesterday, apart from going from the airport and start performing. You feel me? It was a good night, man. Jazz is good, man. Fucking with the hip hop thing. Serious. I was surprised at how many people were fucking with the hip hop thing. Yeah. I say, man. What's that, yeah? Jersey beaches. Alright, we come down onto the beach. Tide comes all the way up here, you know. Should get deep. This tide goes all the way back as well, so you see this thing. It goes out a lot further, but you can't see because it's covered in water. Last night we were looking at it. It was a lot further, but it's mad to see how far it's coming.
2 hours later.
Where the water gone? Mama stood down there, the water was there.
Hubby say I do too much. Sliding on these guys, I many guys, I swear I do too much. You do too much. Cool, you do too much. Don't make me do too much. You do too much. Young, I grew too much. I'm chill, you do too much. Married to the money, I'm a hubby, say I do too much. Sliding on these guys, I many guys, I swear I do too much. Yo, I've been hustling. How much man got yacked and couldn't tell me nothing. Counting racks, I had a plan and then I done it. And in my bag, I'm letting off, now bitch, I'm bossing. Been gone, they cussing, know I'm up to something. I like that, don't do too much cause they know how we coming. Get right back, looking with something on me. Ducking the federale, smoking we know we got him. Can't talk, you know about it. Yeah, you do too much and you don't do enough. People hate you when you moving up. Yeah, he had the guts, but he doing more. Handle business, keep that moolah tucked. Yeah, I've been working hard. No chilling out, no chilling out. You know what I need, you know what I need, and I need.
Mind them out there. Going on. It's not happening.
Trying to be the nice guy, but it hurts sometimes.
Are you saying it's going off, Triple?
Yo, trying to be nice, but
no more Mr. Nice Guy.
Sometimes I feel black. There's only so much you can it's only for so long, man. Keep smiling.
You get me?
You might have to start whining.
Talk to them.
Look at the time, welcome to Brum. Check out the size, been in the bits, where have you been? Man, I wanna see man spin. Where man go for the win. All these galley wanna be my ting. All these man are tryna be like him. This for the man them that handle the ting. This for the gal that can handle the ting. My man thought he can jump in the ring.
The boss can swim. Believe it or not, the boss can swim. Yesterday, the boss just come from the castle. A bus load of people.
Yesterday, the bus was coming from town, a bus load of people. It's just the mercy of God. Why the bus don't go over? The bus can swim, trust me.
Like him, this for the man them that handle the ting. This for the gal that can handle the ting. My man thought he can jump in the ring. Don't disrespect, that's a myth. Trust me, you do too much, but it's cool, you do too much. Don't make me do too much, been do too much. From young I grew too much, I'm chill, you do too much. Married to the money,
the boss can swim, trust me.
My hubby say I do too much. Sliding on these guys, I many guys, I swear I do too much. You do too much, cool, you do too much. Don't make me do too much, been do too much. Young I grew too much, I'm chill, you do too much. Married to the money, I'm a hubby, say I do too much. Sliding on these guys, I many guys, I swear I do too much. Yo, I've been hustling. How much man got yacked and couldn't tell me nothing.